exercise 6.4. The first question is, find out the square root of the following numbers by long division method. The first question is 2304. You have to find the square root by long division method. What do we have to do first? Starting from the unit place, we have to make pairs, or we have to make groups of two digits. So the first group is 4 and 0, next is 3 and 2. That is 23 is the first group. Now think of a square number just below 23. So which number is that? 4 4s are 16. So we write here 4, here also 4. 4 4s are 16. So when we subtract, what do we get? 7. Then bring these two numbers down. So 704. The next step is add 4 here and whichever number you wrote, the same number to be added. So we get 8. Now write any digit here and multiply by the same digit to get this number or a number less than that. So let us see by which number can we divide. Sorry, can we multiply? Here the unit place is 4. So we know that 2 2s are 4 or 8 8s are 64. So we'll try first with 2. So 82 multiplied by 2. 4 164. It is a very small number. So let us try with 88. 64, we get 70. So the number is 8. Here also 8. When we subtract, we get 0. So the square root of 2304 is 48. The next number is 4489. It is already made into group. First group is 44. Think of a square number just below 44. That is 6. 6 are 36. When we subtract, we get 8. Bring these two numbers down. Then add the same number what we have written here. So 12 and leave a space. Now here we have 9 in the unit place. 3 3s are 9 or 7 7s are 49. So let us try with 3 first. 123 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. That is not the number. So try with 7. 127 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 2 7s are 14 plus 4, 18. 7 1s are 7 plus 1, 8. So the number is 7. When we subtract 0, so the square root of 4489 is 67. Now quickly do the sum. Here the square less than 34 is 5 5s are 25. Minus, when we do, we get 9. Bring the two digits down. Add this number 10. Think of a number. Here the last digit is 1. Which number? 1 1s are 1 or 9 9s are 81. So let us try. By which number can we try? See here, 101 into 1. It will be 101. So we will try with 109 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9. So here 9. Here also 9. Subtract 0. So square root of 3481 is 59. Now here, see here, 2 digit, here we have only 1 digit. Which number comes, which square number comes just before 5? 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4. Subtract 1. Bring this 2 down, 29. Add the same number, 4. Now see, 4. What is the chance of getting numbers here? 3 3s are 9 or 7 7s are 49. So let us try 43 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So we got already. So 23. The square root of 529 is 23. Okay. Now let us see a special pattern in the number of digits of square numbers as well as the square root. Okay. You see here, this is a square number. How many digits are there? 4 digits. And we found its square root, we got it as 48. How many digits are there? 2 digits. Similarly here it is a 4 digit number and its square root is 67, which has got 2 digits. Same way here. Here 3 digits and then in the square root we have 2 digits. Here 2 digits, then in the square root we have 1 digit. Again here you have 3 digits, square root has got 2 digits. In the last one you see only 1 digit, square root also got 1 digit. So if you observe the pattern, you will come to know that if a square number has n digit, how many digits? N digits. It will have n by 2 digits in its square root if n is an even number. And if it is an odd number, if n is an odd number, then there will be n plus 1 upon 2 digits. Now let us see that. You see here n is 4. 4 is an even number, so 4 by 2, 2. Here all these cases 4 is even number, so 4 by 2, 2 we got. But here n is odd number. So how many digits will be there in its square root? N plus 1 upon 2. What is n? 3. 3 plus 1, 4 upon 2, 2. Here there are 2 digits, so divide by 2. 2 is an even number. Here again 3. 3 plus 1, 4 upon 2, 2. Here 2 numbers, 2 digits are there, so 2 upon 2, 1. Here you have 1 digit. So 1 plus 1, 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. So this is a technique to find out how many digits will be there in the square root of a given number. What is the concept? If there are n digits, that is even number of digits, you have to divide it by 2. That is, if there are 2 digits, then there will be 1 digit in the square root. If there are 4 digits, then 2 digits, 6 digit, then 3 digit, like that. But if it is odd number of digits, you have to add 1. That means if 1 digit, 1 plus 1 upon 2. 3 digits, 3 plus 1 upon 2. 5 digits, 5 plus 1 upon 2. Okay. This is all for today. Thank you.